Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and a couple of nights ago, nagpost kami ng picture ng Vivo S1 Pro sa Instagram, and nabasa ko din yung mga comments nyo. Sabi ng iba, cute yung phone. Sabi ng iba, they like the diamond camera module. Well, in this video, i-unbox naman natin siya. But before that, guys, reminder lang, we are giving away our Realme 5. Yung mechanics nasa description box sa baba, so make sure that you check it out. Make sure na sundan nyo yung instructions. Sana na kayo, libre naman sumali. Anyway, back to the Vivo S1 Pro. I know it's pretty standard, pero tignan pa rin natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng box. You'll get your charger, USB Type-C cable, wired earphones, guys, wired ha, documents, SIM ejector, jelly case, and syempre, yung smartphone. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang mabilis yung layout ng S1 Pro. So, there's a power button and the volume rocker sa right. Yung SIM tray nasa left, pwede mo lagyan ng dalawang SIM cards. Yung Type-C na port at saka yung speakers nasa bottom, and the 3.5mm jack on top. The first thing I noticed nung nakita ko yung phone, and I'm sure kayo din, is the camera module. Again, hindi siya yung typical na vertical o yung uso ngayon na circular. It's diamond shape. So, medyo polarizing siya. Some people like it, some people don't. Ako personally, gusto ko siya. Pero yung iba sa amin sa unbox, medyo hindi nila masyadong trip. I mean, it's like fashion. Kanya-kanya naman tayo ng style, kanya-kanya tayo ng gusto. But, one thing is for sure, because it's different, talagang mapapansin mo siya. So, there are two color variants. Una yung white, which they call Fancy Sky. Actually, ito yung kinuna namin ng photo, yung nakapost sa Instagram. And then the second one is black. They call it, hindi dark night, night black. Ayun, night with a K. Batman pala yung Dark Knight. The body of the phone is deceiving kasi mukha siyang glass, but it's actually made out of plastic. Ang gusto ko sa kanya though is hindi siya madulas and madali siya hawakan. It sits well in the hand considering na maliit yung kamay ko. Since pinag-uusapan na rin naman natin yung camera module, so pag-usapan na rin natin yung cameras. So, sa likod, there are four. The 48-megapixel main shooter with an aperture of f1.8, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an aperture of f2.2, a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an aperture of f2.4, and a 2-megapixel macro camera also with an aperture of f2.4. Meron din siyang super night mode and AI scene detection. So, compared dun sa non-Pro version, yung Vivo S1, mas malaki yung megapixel count ng Pro version, which is at 48 megapixels versus 16 megapixels. And also, meron siyang additional lens, yun yung macro camera. The selfie camera is at 32 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0. So, since kakakuha ko pa lang ng phone, I'll try to take some pictures now, dito lang. But if you wanna see the full capability of the camera of the S1 Pro, sundan nyo kami sa Instagram. We'll post more pictures there in the coming days. So, what do you guys think of the pictures? Pasado ba? For the display, the Vivo S1 Pro has a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a tiny notch housing the selfie camera. Actually, yung colors are pretty good, they're pretty accurate, and meron na siyang in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, because wala siyang pop-up camera, meron siyang IPX2 rating, so kaya niya kung mga water droplets, siguro kung konting ambon, pero guys, hindi siya pwedeng mabasa entirely. The Vivo S1 Pro runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM, which is bigger than the non-Pro version, which only has 6GB of RAM, and it has 128GB of storage na expandable pa up to 256GB. So obviously, I still haven't used the phone for that long kasi kakatanggap ko pa lang niya. But I've used other phones with the same processor in the past. Okay naman yung experience, wala naman akong naging problema. But syempre gusto ko pa rin itry talaga itong S1 Pro because I wanna see how the FunTouch OS 9.2 UI affects the performance. The Vivo S1 Pro has a 4,500 mAh battery na may 18-watt dual-engine fast charging. And good news, USB Type-C na yung gamit niya. Okay, so pag-usapan na natin ang presyo. So the Vivo S1 Pro is 15,999 pesos. Available siya for pre-order from November 21 to 29. And then starting November 30, available na siya sa lahat ng authorized Vivo outlets. Actually, that's it for my initial impressions of the Vivo S1 Pro. Ano sa tingin nyo? Sulit bang paggamitan ng Christmas bonus or ng 13th month pay? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And that's it for this video. Thanks for staying with me till the end. Reminder guys, yung Realme 5 na giveaway, join na kayo. And yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!